Hello students, this is Manoj Kumar Verma. Here in this video, I am going to make you understand the rules of interrogative sentence in form of conversation. This is asked in CBSE English Language and Literature of class 10. It carries of 4 marks. Let's see interrogative sentence, how this is used in narration. Okay, interrogative sentences. The sentences that are ask questions are known as interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are of two types. First beginning with auxiliaries. Second, beginning with WH adverb or interrogative adverb. Let's see an example of each. Can she write an essay? Begins with auxiliary. Second example, why are you so late today? Begins with WH adverb. Before just proceeding towards the interrogative sentence, I want to make you understand how to change assertive interrogative to assertive sentence. Okay, how to change interrogative sentences to assertive sentences. Okay, in general form, not in just without changing meaning. In general form, I'm making you understand. Okay, so first take an example. Do you watch a movie? Here do is omitted, so it is assertive is you watch a movie. The second is does he invite his teacher? So here does removed and he invites his teacher. Third example, did they leave the town? So here they left the town. Assertive is they left the town. Did is deleted and the same past is given to the main verb. So it is left. Second, in negative sentence, do, does or did are not omitted. This will remain the same, but we have to arrange in assertive form. See, do you not watch a movie? So assertive is you do not watch a movie. Second, does she not play cricket? Assertive is she does not play cricket. Third, next example, did they not love love each other? Assertive is they did not love each other. Second is are you available in the class? Assertive is you are available in class. Next example, will you help Rohit in need? So assertive is you will help Rohit in need. Next, now see how we use these things in indirect speech in interrogative sentence. Let's see. First is auxiliary. First is what? Interrogative sentences. How we use in auxiliary. First is beginning with auxiliary. Let's see first an example. Then I will make you understand. He said to me, do you know where Mr. Gupta lives in this colony? First of all, as I made you understand before, first of all make this reporting speech into the assertive form. Assertive form. The assertive form is what? You know where Mr. Gupta lives in this colony. Clear? Now, before solving this direct speech to indirect speech, first you should know the rules. The rules are very simple. In place of said to or said, you can use asked, inquired of, wanted to know or demanded. Okay, in place of open inverted comma and comma, we use if or whether as a conjunction, but the condition is there if the reporting speech starts with auxiliary. Auxiliary. Next is, as I told you before, change the reporting speech, reporting speech into assertive form. Assertive form. It would be in interrogative. You have to change in assertive form. Then you have to change into the change the persons, change the tenses, change of other parts of speeches. Okay. Take now solve this question according to the rule given below. You see that he asked me if, because it begins with auxiliary, so if is there. if i if I is used because you is there, so you is used always according to the object of reporting verb here, reporting object of reporting verb, so it would be I. I knew, because it knew is the past form of know. Where Mr. Gupta lived, because live is present form, so it is changed into past form. Live in that colony, this change into that as a change of other parts of his speech. Okay, take another example. So ultimate answer is what? He asked me if I knew where Mr. Gupta lived in that colony. Clear? Next is next example I would like to share with you, that Anup said to Alka, can you help me in need? So first you should change interrogative to assertive. So what is the assertive? You can help me in need. Now apply the rule. Anup asked Alka if you is there, this is the second person use according to the object reporting verb. So here it is what? Alka. So here what is? She could help him according to Anup. So him in need. So this is how change into the assertive interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliaries. Next, number 2. Interrogative sentences beginning with interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs. Second rule, or your WH questions you can say. The take first example. Akash asked me. Akash asked me why are you late today? Okay. First it is changed into the assertive form. Why you are late today? Rules for these questions. Said to in place of said to or said, we use asked or inquired of, demanded or wanted to know. In place of invited comma or comma, we use WH adverb, like it may be what, where, when, how, etc. Okay, so it should be. So you have to, any of one of them will be used to join two sentences. Now let's see here, if or whether is not used because it is not beginning with auxiliary. So see how the question is solved. Here it is, Akash asked me why. We are not using if or whether because it is beginning with interrogative adverb. If why, why you is according to the object, so you will be I, and past form of R is was. Late that day, this day today changing to that day, so that day will be there. So this is how it is changed. Okay, my dear students, if you see this video repeatedly, seeing the first concept, I am sure that you will understand the interrogative sentence perfectly and without any problem. Till then, thank you very much, my dear students. Stay at home and be safe. Pray for your good health. Thank you.